Now, question number 3. A contractor plans to install two slides. Two slides for the children play in the park. For the children below 5 years. She preferred to have the slide whose top is at the height of 1.5 meters and inclined angle is 30 degrees. So this is the first case. She is installing slides. The children's below age of 5 years. Second slide, whereas for elder children, she wants to have a steep slide of height 3 meters and inclined angle is 60 degrees. This one is case 2 to the ground. What should be the length of the slide in each case? So here two questions are there. Now this one is a ground. First question I'm taking here. Ground. $90 degrees. Here this one is a slide. AB is the slide. This one we need to find. I'm taking this one is x meters. Now this length is given in first case, that is 1.5 meters. The height of the slide is 1.5 meters. The angle between slide and ground is given 30 degrees. This is first case. Second case, here also they are fixing one slide. The height is 3 meters. This one is a slide. Another one P, Q, R. This one is also slide. Now the angle between the slide and ground is 60 degrees. 60 degrees. In both the cases, we need to find length of the slide. Simple. A 30 degrees is there. The given side is on this slide and taking y meters. 1.5. The given length is opposite to 30 degrees. Next to unknown length is hypotenuse. So the ratio between opposite and hypotenuse is sine. So first in triangle ABC, first to write the given information. The length of AC is equals to, this is enough for me to write the length of the slide. Just to write what is in the diagram. Length of AC is equals to 1.5 meters. Length of AB is equals to, that is x meters. Angle ABC is equals to 30 degrees. Now 30 degrees, the known length is opposite, unknown length is hypotenuse. The ratio between opposite and hypotenuse is sine. So sine 30 degrees is equals to AC by AB. Sine 30 value is 1 by 2. 1 by 2 is equals to length of AC is equals to 1.5 meters. Length of AB is equals to x. So x transpose to left to 2 transpose to reduce to cross multiplication, x equals to 1.5 into 2. Therefore x equals to 3 meters. So the length of slide 1 is equals to 3 meters. Now second case, same approach, 60 degrees, opposite is, this one is 3 meters, is given side is opposite, unknown side is hypotenuse. So here also I am taking the length of PR is equals to, in triangle PQR, PR is equals to 3 meters, then PQ is equals to y meters, angle PQR is equals to 60 degrees. So here also just to consider opposite by hypotenuse is sine. Sine 60 is equals to opposite length PR by hypotenuse PQ. So sine 60 value is root 3 by 2 is equals to 3 by y. So y is equals to y transpose to root 3 by 2 transpose to right side. So 3 into 2 by root 3. So this one is we can write as root 3 into root 3. Root 3 times it will go. So y is equals to 2 root 3 meters. So therefore the slide of the length of second slide Question 4. It's very simple. The angle of elevation of the top of a tower from a point on the ground which is 30 meters away from the foot of the tower is 30 degrees. Find the height of the tower. So here just draw diagram. Ground, tower. AB is tower. This one is tower. They are asking the length of the tower. So length of the tower you take, that is x meters. Find the height of the tower. Let you take, that is x meters. Next clue is here one observer. An angle of elevation of the top of the tower from a point on the ground. So here I am taking C. See here the observer is observing top of the tower. The observer lies 30 meters away from the foot of the tower. So C is observer. He is 30 meters away from the foot of the tower. So the length of BC is equals to 30 meters. So it is given 30 meters. Next, the angle of elevation is 30 degrees. So observer is observing top of the tower. So the angle of elevation is given, that is 30 degrees. This one is very simple. So solution: let height of the tower is equals to, that is AB is equals to x meters. Next, the length of BC is given, that is 30 meters. Now angle of elevation, angle ACB is equals to 30 degrees. 30 degrees, unknown side is opposite, given side is adjacent. Unknown opposite, given known is adjacent. The ratio between opposite and adjacent, opposite by adjacent, is tan. So tan 30 is equals to, tan 30 degrees is equals to opposite by adjacent. So tan 30 value is 1 by root 3 is equals to, AB is equals to, that is we don't know. Next, length of BC is equals to 30. So 30 transpose to left, you will get x equals to 30 by root 3. Now you rationalize root 3 by root 3. X is equals to 30 into root 3 by 3. 3 ones are 3 tens are. So x equals to 10 root 3 meters. X equals to 10 root 3 meters. Therefore height of the tower is equals to 10 root 3 meters. Question number 5. A kite is flying at the height of 60 meters above the ground. 60 meters above the ground. The string attached to the kite is tied to a point on the ground. So the string is tied a point on the ground. The inclination of the string with the ground is 60 degrees. Find the length of the string. So same diagram, ground. Here one kite is flying. The height of the kite, A, B, C. C is a point. The string, this is a string, is tied at a point on the ground. This one is string. So let you take that is x meters. Finally they are asking find the length of the string. So this one is a kite. Kite is flying. How many meters above the ground? 60 meters. So 60 meters above the ground. So the kite is flying 60 meters above the ground. Now the string is tied on a ground. Here the point I am taking, that is C. So the string is tied here. The angle, inclined angle, the angle between the string and ground is 60 degrees. 60 degrees. Find length of the string. Simple question. Solution. So acute angle ABC. So this is string length. Let AC is equals to, I'm taking that is x meters. Given the length of AB is equals to 16 meters. 16 meters. Now angle ACB is equals to 60 degrees. Now 60 meters is opposite to 60. So this length is opposite. Unknown length is hypotenuse. So the ratio between opposite and hypotenuse is sine. So now consider sine 60 is equals to length of AB by length of AC. Sine 60 value is root 3 by 2 is equals to length of AB is 60, length of AC is equals to x. Now x is equals to 60 into x transpose to left side, root 3 by 2 transpose to right side. So you will get 2 by root 3. Rationalize root 3 by root 3. So x is equals to 60 into 2 into root 3 by root 3 into 3 is 3. Root 3 into root 3 is 3. 3 20 is. So x is equals to 20 to the 40 root 3 meters. So x is the length of the string. Therefore, the length of the string is equals to 40 root 3 meters.